it's all about us. Yung magiging captain kami sa sarili namin. Like, hindi lang ako yung captain sa team. Which, kailangan din na maging captain din yung mga players on themselves.
I'm mentally and emotionally ready. Like kahit anong crucial moments or crucial na situation sa mangyari in and out the court, I can handle it as calm as I am and as composed as I am.
Nasabihan niya kami na dark horse. Pero I think hindi lang kami dark horse. Hindi lang kami hanggang dun lang na dark horse na term nila. Parang more on, kaya din namin na maging mas mataas pa. Kasi dun sa nagawa namin before.
Isa-isahin, step by step, para makuha po namin ulit yung Final Four and then yung goal po talaga namin na mag-finals appearance.
Lagi naman sila, yung teammates ko, sila lang lagi yung motivate sa akin. Sila yung nagbibigay ng inspiration sa akin sa everyday training.
Hello FU community, please watch and support our games this UAAP and sana wag kayong magsawa na supportahan kami.